Welcome to the guide on how to build a successful personal brand as an affiliate. The principles we discuss here would put you on the right track towards becoming a brand in the competitive world of affiliate marketing. Our journey covers defining your identity, connecting authentically with your audience, and the role of content consistency in outlining your brand. The first step in our journey is to define your character. A strong personal brand is rooted in a unique, authentic you. What are your key strengths, values, and passions? These elements form the promise you make to your audience. They are also your best differentiating factors that set you apart in the realm of affiliate marketing. Moving on, you need to establish a deep and meaningful bond with your audience. Your audience represents real people around the globe, people with varying needs, dreams, and desires. Your personal brand should be an embodiment of these requirements and aspirations. Authenticity, the cornerstone of your brand, cannot be artificially created. However, it can be nurtured and amplified by articulating your passion and purpose. What drives you? Why do you wake up every day and do what you do? Answering these questions can help you channel your inherent authenticity and create a brand that's truly one of a kind. Consistency is the force that helps you leverage your brand in the affiliate marketing space. Every touchpoint your audience has with your brand should reinforce the same message, voice, and value system. Consistent branding over time helps build trust among your audience, which is a crucial currency for successful affiliate marketing. Now that we've connected the dots and established the significance of authenticity and consistency in building a personal brand in the affiliate landscape, let's delve into some action items. How do you go about creating a brand that resonates with your audience and consequently impacts your affiliate marketing? Visual content is a potently intrinsic part of building your brand. The imagery, graphics, and videos you use should revolve around your identity and paint a consistent and compelling narrative. Additionally, your online presence plays an integral role in shaping your personal brand. Social media platforms, blogs, forums, or YouTube channels, every touchpoint should exemplify your authenticity. Each piece of online content should offer value to your audience, creating a sense of trust and dependability. Your personal brand storytelling enriches your content and builds an emotional connection with your audience. Customers are no longer interested in bland product pitches. They crave stories that resonate, inspire, and entertain. Your personal stories can help humanize your brand, making it more relatable and appealing to your audience. Furthermore, consider leveraging user-generated content to reinforce your brand. User-generated content, whether it's testimonials, reviews, or customer stories, provides authentic validation, building trust and enticing potential leads. Stepping into the digital footwear of your customer could be a strong strategy to understand the brand experience from their lens. What type of content appeals to them most? What resonates with them and what doesn't? Creating this alignment augments your brand's ability to cater to your customer personas. As you build your brand, remember the significance of adjusting and adapting to feedback. Social media platforms come with valuable performance metrics and audience insights. Use these to understand what's clicking with your audience and what isn't. We also emphasize the need to stay updated with the rapidly evolving digital marketing landscape. What could be a trend today might be obsolete tomorrow. Continuous learning, therefore, is non-negotiable in growing your brand as an affiliate marketer. Networking is another crucial aspect of brand growth. Engage in meaningful conversations, and collaborations with fellow affiliates could provide exciting synergistic opportunities. In essence, building a personal brand in the world of affiliate marketing isn't about selling a product, it's about selling a promise, a belief, an aspiration. It's about building a community, nurturing it with value, energizing it with inspiration. So embrace the journey, stay true to your essence, remain consistent in your efforts, and let your brand story be the locomotive of your affiliate marketing success. This guide, however comprehensive, is merely the first step in this thrilling journey of brand building and affiliate marketing. But remember, every journey starts with a single step, and you just took that step. So, gear up, be ready to pivot as you propel your personal brand into the next dimension. Remember, the task of building a personal brand is not simply about reaching a colossal audience. It's about the quality of connection you make with people. It's about translating a transaction into a relationship, a stranger into a loyal customer, and an affiliate marketer into a brand leader. Personal branding can unleash your potential as an affiliate marketer. You have a unique voice and story, and when you infuse that into your brand, magic happens. On that inspiring note, we'll take leave, but don't abandon this spirit. Let your brand shine, let it touch lives, and let it catapult you to great heights in the realm of affiliate marketing. The horizon of possibilities is vast. Journey on and claim your spot. Armed with this newfound knowledge, remember to put it into practice, one step at a time. Consistency is crucial, and in time, you'll begin to reap the fruits of your effort and dedication. Until next time, keep building, keep branding, and let nothing stop you from becoming the best brand you can be. As we conclude this video, we encourage you to let your brand reflect the true and resilient essence of your character. Use it as a canvas to weave stories, stir emotions, drive action, and, ultimately, create a lasting impact in the affiliate marketing landscape. To encapsulate, the journey of building a personal brand in affiliate marketing is not easy, but nothing worth having ever comes easy. Remember, the process is as important as the result. So embrace it, celebrate it, and most importantly, cherish it. On this note, we wish you the best of luck on your brand building journey. As we bring up the curtains on this insightful guide to building a personal brand as an affiliate, we reiterate the importance of staying true to your brand. Your personal brand is a reflection of you, embodying your values, visions, and ambitions. Keep it original, keep it authentic, and most importantly, keep it you. Thank you for tuning in. As you embark on your journey of personal branding and affiliate marketing, remember, success isn't always about greatness, it's about consistency. Consistent hard work leads to success. Greatness will come. Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. The realization of your branding effort might not happen overnight. It's essential to remain patient and dedicated to nurturing your brand over the long haul. Rome wasn't built in a day, and your personal brand, your empire, too, will take time to shape in all its glory. Progress could be slow and laborious at times, but remember, it's each hard-earned step forward that leaves a monumental mark on your brand and unlocks a new facet of your marketing potential. When in doubt, look back at how far you've come, learn from your journey, and stoke the fires of your determination for the voyage that lies ahead. Parting words: follow your passion and be unwavering in your mission. Stay true to your brand's tale, never cease raising the bar on your brand's unique selling proposition. Remain dedicated to your audience's needs, and you'll be well on your way to crafting a robust personal brand in affiliate marketing. One last piece of advice: don't be afraid to experiment or make mistakes along the way process. The journey of molding your brand is as enriching as the destination itself. Strong personal brands are not built on perfection but on authenticity. At the end of the day, the most influential brands are those that are unapologetically themselves, brands that incite trust, that inspire, and that reverberate with their audiences in an unmistakable voice. Remember, audience loyalty is not a destination. It's an ongoing journey, and the roadmap isn't fixed. The key is to remain agile, adaptable, and always responsive to their changing needs and preferences. We believe in your journey, we believe in your dream, we believe in the potential your brand holds, and we salute your courage to tread the unexplored path. In building a personal brand, remember, it's not how many times you fall that counts, it's how many times you rise. We encourage you to wear each setback as a badge of honor, all the while learning, evolving and growing stronger in your resolve. A strong personal brand sees beyond the horizon of challenges, visualizes opportunities, and unequivocally chases their dream. And with that mindset, there's no mountain too high, no valley too deep. So, as your personal brand journey unfolds, take every step with the wisdom of our shared insights. Build with purpose, connect with heart, stay consistently fierce and authentic in your essence. Trust the journey, embrace the growth, and let the world witness the rise of a personal brand that isn't just successful but remarkable. Thank you for joining us on this quest of personal branding. Don't fret about the journey ahead, instead, relish the excitement of the unknown. Embrace the process, for in doing so, you are not merely building a personal brand, you are defining your future, one powerfully imprinted step at a time.